Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play GTA 5 on mobile. First, understand that GTA 5 is not natively available on mobile devices. Instead, you can access it through cloud gaming services. These platforms stream the game directly to your phone, allowing you to play without needing to download the full game. A strong internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience, so ensure you have reliable Wi-Fi or a fast mobile data plan. To get started with cloud gaming, download the service's official app from your phone's app store. Once installed, log in with your account credentials. You might need to link your existing game library or purchase the game through the service. For optimal control and immersion, we highly recommend connecting a Bluetooth controller to your mobile device. This setup provides a much better experience than touch controls. Another excellent option is Remote Play, which lets you stream GTA 5 from your own PC or console to your mobile device. Begin by installing the Remote Play application on both your phone and your gaming system. It's vital that both devices are connected to the same local network for the best performance. Remember to adjust your PC or console settings to enable remote connections before you start playing. To ensure the best possible mobile gaming experience, always prioritize a high-speed internet connection. This significantly reduces latency and lag, making gameplay much more responsive. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary background applications on your phone to free up valuable system resources. Additionally, consider adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality for smoother performance on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.